What's up guys, today we're back here with another video. Today we're going to be buying some tires for the Grand Cherokee the Bill was talking about, and the Wrangler. We're going to do a light bar, so let's go pick up those tires now. You guys, we're going to be working on the light bar. We did fix the automatic start, so it starts automatically now. We got that fixed, so it's just the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and put these seats down, and we're going to go get the tires. So the seats are put down, so catch them when we get there. Alright guys, so we made it home. Got the tires in the back, so that'll be for a different video. There we go guys, there's our light bars. We got the tires in the back for the Grand Cherokee. That'll be a different video, but we're gonna focus on this today. So we finally got the brackets in to put on the side. All of it's already wired. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to wipe this down dry because sticky pad comes up here, so you don't damage the paint. It did rain for a minute, so that's why we had to stop. So let's get started. So pretty much to get the bracket on, you gotta remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt, and the bolt down here. So that's it. Cool start right there.
We'll have to stop it because
Wow. Whew. It's a bright light. Woo. Blindness. Guys, this could not look better than ever. Guys, this looks nice. We even got the top dropped. This thing's really bright, so we're gonna use it for like Carolina and all that. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna be another video today. If you guys like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe, and I consider turn on post notifications if you have not. So this thing was sick. We're gonna have more projects come to this Jeep soon. We're just using this down there for Carolina, and just in case someone even cuts us off, you just flip the thing on. But if you guys want to see the final results, you guys go check it out on my Instagram at Jeep Jacob Rebuilds. So yeah.